What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're gonna be cooking. That's right, we're gonna be cooking one of my favorite meals of all time. I'm pretty sure that some of you, just by looking at the ingredients in front of us, you can tell what it's gonna be. And I love this meal since I was a little kid. It's tostones with salami and eggs. Real simple, anybody can do it. I learned how to do this when I was a young kid, about 12 years old. So also, guys, I'm gonna be teaching you a secret way on how to cook the plantains to get the perfect tostones. I learned this secret in a restaurant in the Dominican Republic. I asked them, hey, how are these so good? I've never tasted, tostones like these. And the cook, she told me how to do it. She didn't show me right then and there was no time. But then later on, I tried it at home and they tasted pretty much just like hers. So I'll be showing how to do that tonight. Without wasting any more time, let's get into it. Okay, so guys, the trick is to have the fire medium to low, right in between. You want these plantains to take their time cooking, or else they're not gonna come out how you want them in the end. So just take your time, and that's it. Okay guys, so this is what the final product looks like. I like to add a little bit of mustard and ketchup to it, but let me know what you guys think. And if you did try to make this at home, let me know how it came out and if you like it. Now we're gonna move on to the taste test. Okay guys, so here we are. Ready to do the taste test. I mean, just look at this. Look at that. I can feel it coming in the air tonight. I mean, guys, this is awesome. I love these tostones, man. Get some ketchup in there. I mean, look at this. Look at this. This crunchy on the outside. And soft and warm on the inside. Cooked to perfection, man. Look at that. You know, one of my favorite things to do as a child, and to this day, when eating this, is a sandwich. Tostone sandwich. See that? I mean, this is just gonna be amazing. This is gonna blow my mind. Wow. I mean, guys, this is so good. I mean, I can't even understand how good this is. Just take a look at that. It's food. Like, created by hot oil and fruits. This is a fruit. A fried fruit. Okay guys, let me know what you thought about this video. And let me know if you made that. Let me know how it came out and if you like it. Also guys, I'm so full. Thank you, Lord, for this meal. And see you guys next time. Peace.